Hello and welcome friends. Today we will read and understand the poem The Daffodils. So the poem starts with I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. So I wandered lonely as a cloud. So something is wandering lonely. So the poet himself is addressed here, and he is wandering as a lonely cloud that floats over the vales. Vales means the valleys, and hills means mountains, hills. So that floats on high over the vales and hills. So cloud, as if the cloud is wandering over the mountains and hills and valleys. When all at once I saw a crowd, then at once that cloud noticed a crowd. So what was the crowd of? A host of golden daffodils. The daffodils flower is yellow in color, so it looks like golden. So it is golden in color. So the host of golden daffodils, the cloud is seeing that golden daffodils. Beside the lake, and where it is seeing that? It is seeing it beside the lake and beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. So when the air winds blows, so that is the air breeze. So it looks like it is fluttering like butterfly and dancing in the wind. Second paragraph. Continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way, they stretched in never-ending line along the margin of a bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. So here, continuous as the star that shine. So the daffodils also they are in groups. Like wherever they are, there will be lot of daffodils in the field. So it grows like that. So it is saying continuous like a star. Like it is not ending. It is not like ending. It is continuous. You will see some more and more are there in the field. So it says continuous as the stars that shines, and it shines means it is golden in color, so it looks bright, it shines, and twinkle in the Milky Way. So as we know that star twinkle in the Milky Way is the galaxy. So daffodils also twinkle and shines, represented as twinkle, meaning it shines in the ground or besides the lake or under the trees in the field. They also looks bright and they shine. They are stretched in never ending line, and they are far visible. If you see, it will be like you can see only daffodils, continuous daffodils in the wide area. They stretch in never ending line. So it says they are stretched in a very vast area. They are stretched in a very vast area. So it is saying it is never ending line along the margin of a bay. So bay means the part of the sea or a large lake partly surrounded by land. So that is the bay. So the part of the sea and the seashore you can call part of the sea, or a large lake partly surrounded by the land. That is called the bay. So along the margin of the bay, 10,000 I saw at a glance. So in the bay there were more than 10,000. 10,000, the poet is saying he saw 10,000 at a glance. Means at one look he saw thousands of daffodils tossing their heads in sprightly dance, and they are like waving their flowers. So it is represented as the tossing their heads in sprightly dance. So sprightly means full of life and energy. So they are dancing in full of energy. The waves beside them danced, but they outdid the sparkling wave in glee. So glee is happiness and delight. The waves besides them danced, but they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. A poet could not but be gay. Gay means happy and full of fun. In such a jocund company. Jocund is cheerful company. I gazed. So gazed means looking at something for a long time. I gazed and gazed. So poet says he gazed and gazed the daffodils, but little thought. He thought little, but he gazed and gazed the daffodils. What wealth the show to me had brought. So the show had brought him the wealth that he cannot forget. It means whatever the pleasant feeling he is getting on seeing the daffodils, like he is expressing it like a wealth he has got. So what wealth the show to me had brought? Daffodils had brought me a great show to him, which was like a wealth for him. For oft when on my coach I lie. So coach is the kind of sofa where two or more people can sit. For oft when on my coach I lie in vacant and pensive mood. Pensive is sad mood. So in vacant and in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. So bliss is extreme happiness, and solitude is the state of being alone. Okay, a state of being alone, which we find pleasant. Sometimes we want to be alone, and we feel it pleasant. And then my heart will pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. So memories also, when he will sit alone in the coach, so he will remember about the daffodils, and then my heart with pleasant feel, the heart will be happy and dances with the daffodils, and it will dance with daffodils. Means the poet is happy on remembering the daffodils also. So daffodils is written by William Wordsworth.